He's running down towards the river. He's literally running into the river. Get out the water.
I will die.
Well, you think it's worth drowning, do you, for a couple of things you've just nicked? You're just making matters worse for yourself, aren't you? Yeah, he's in waist deep. I'm just trying to negotiate getting him out of the water because he appears quite intoxicated. He is talking to me and engaging a little bit. Can you let me know if you're still in the water or not? 6-7. I think he might have made his way out of the water because he's stopped communicating with me and he hasn't gone past me in the water. I think he's making his way back up to the pathway if anybody's up there.
Can we come down and help you, please? No, I'm worried you will, but please don't. Please don't. What's your arm like now? Have you got a safe grip? No, I'm not.
Right. Do you understand what I'm saying to you? You're under arrest for theft, okay? You do not have to say anything, but it may harm your defence. We do not mention when questioned, to which you later relied in court. Anything you do say may be given in evidence. Necessity for your arrest is a prompt and effective investigation.
Don't
swing out at me.
We're going to pop some cuffs on you, right?